Hello there, kids! Today, we are diving into the world of elephants. These magnificent creatures are our focus. Elephants are known for being quite big animals. They can be found living in Africa and across Asia. These gentle giants love to hang out in warm places. They are omnivores, feeding on plants, grass, and fruits. Elephants consume a significant amount of food every day. They possess long noses called trunks, which they use to extract water from the mud, pick up food, and even say hello to other elephants. Elephants have quite large ears, which help them stay cool in hot environments. These intelligent and gentle creatures live and walk with their families, making it clear that they are much more than just pets. Baby elephants are absolutely adorable and playful, making them the epitome of cuteness.